The Law of Attraction, Unlocking the Secrets to Manifesting Your Dreams. Welcome to our video on the Law of Attraction. Today, we will be discussing the principle of the Law of Attraction and how it can be used to manifest your desires and goals. The Law of Attraction states that like attracts like, and that by aligning your thoughts and energy with your desires, you can attract positive experiences and outcomes into your life. In this video, we will be discussing the key principles of the Law of Attraction and providing tips and strategies for using it effectively. Let's get started. Understanding the principle of the Law of Attraction. The Law of Attraction is a principle that states that we can manifest our desires and goals by focusing our thoughts and energy on them. It's based on the idea that like attracts like, and therefore if we focus on positive things, positive experiences and outcomes will come into our lives. It's important to understand this principle in order to use the Law of Attraction effectively. Using visualization to manifest your desires. One of the key principles of the Law of Attraction is visualization. By visualizing yourself achieving your goals, you can create a mental image of what you want and focus your energy on it. This helps to attract the things you want into your life and keeps you motivated and focused on your goals. Practicing gratitude. Another important principle of the Law of Attraction is gratitude. By being grateful for the things you already have, you can attract even more good things into your life. Gratitude creates a positive energy that attracts more positive experiences and outcomes. Believing in yourself. The Law of Attraction is closely linked to self-belief. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you are more likely to achieve your goals. On the other hand, when you doubt yourself and your abilities, you are less likely to achieve your goals. Therefore, it is important to have confidence in yourself and your abilities when using the Law of Attraction. Taking action. The Law of Attraction is not a magic wand. It's a tool that helps you to manifest your desires and goals. But it's important to take action towards achieving your goals, rather than just visualizing and believing that it will happen. This includes setting specific and measurable goals, creating a plan of action, and taking consistent steps towards achieving those goals. Overcoming limiting beliefs. One of the biggest obstacles to manifesting your desires through the Law of Attraction is limiting beliefs. These are the negative thoughts and beliefs that you have about yourself and your abilities. It's important to identify and overcome these limiting beliefs in order to truly harness the power of the Law of Attraction. This can be done through techniques such as affirmations and self-reflection. The power of positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are a powerful tool for overcoming limiting beliefs and aligning your thoughts with your desires. By regularly repeating affirmations such as I am worthy of love and abundance or I am capable of achieving my goals, you can reprogram your mind to believe in your abilities and attract positive experiences. We hope you found this video informative. Remember that the Law of Attraction is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires and goals. But it's important to understand the principle. Use visualization. Practice gratitude. Believe in yourself. And take action in order to achieve success. Apply these tips and strategies in your daily life and watch as you start to manifest your dreams. Thanks for watching.